America's going to be 4 Western 520, 4 Western 520. It's going to be with a blue Chevrolet, standby. America's going to have Georgia 28, Sam Adam Roberts, 4295. SAR 4295, I'm 1080.
Very sick, you like to get it?
I am 1080, heading towards Austin.
Alright folks, buckle up, this is where the chaos starts. Right from the get-go, we see multiple units coordinating high-speed movements, and you can almost feel the tension radiating through these calls. Notice how each identifier, each number, is critical. It's like a chessboard where every move counts. Now a normal viewer might just hear Chevrolet and Western 520, but in legal terms, this is all admissible evidence establishing location, timing, and intent. Aphotai to kya karte? Would you stay calm or get tense with every radio ping?
Very sick, no update in Dawson. Where are you at again?
We're coming in the Perry, we're at 130.
And here's the first spike of drama. The suspect is moving dangerously at 130 miles per hour, and heat is everywhere. An urgent alert that the officers are on a live chase. From a legal standpoint, these calls show probable cause for pursuit. It's intense, it's dangerous, and it's evidence of recklessness. Strong reactions are warranted. Imagine the adrenaline. This is also where courtroom discussions later hinge on whether the pursuit was justified. Who's in the wrong? The driver, obviously, but could the police procedure ever be questioned?
American are done, so contact off the meeting there, let's
Get up in the straightaway about yup. Can't get to the field. Get this blankers, how about this?
Notice how officers constantly update each other. Wet road, guaranteeing gun contact. These aren't just casual observations. This is precision communication under pressure. In courtroom terms, this shows the procedural diligence of law enforcement, and it sets up later debates on liability or any potential misconduct. And let's be honest, the energy here is palpable. Even in a transcript, you can feel the tension. The chase isn't just about speed, it's about split-second decisions with legal weight attached.
American Sweden is straight away about Yokers. I'm see if I can't get to the kid on it. American Sweden's blocking the kid.
36, I'm on 520, you on 536?
Yeah, 36.
Alright, I'm getting set up at the 10. Y'all should be to me shortly.
Yeah, 10-4 coming up on Jimmy Range. Coming up on Jimmy Range. Got some rain, got some moisture. He's straddling the center line. All right, Max, we got good stick, good stick.
Did you hit this 10?
10-4, we got tire, rear tire down on the right side.
Turn there, yes.
We got front right tire down. We got 2 tires down.
Turn there, check.
Nah, America, we're still rolling. We're coming in the Dawson. See if I can't fit them real quick.
Turn there, check.
Pit.
36, yes.
1050.
Here's the tactical moment. Tires are getting hit, risks skyrocket, and you can hear officers adapting in real time. From a legal lens, this is crucial. Each maneuver, each warning could later justify the use of force in court. And yes, the drama is high. Front right, they're locking in, communicating, surviving. Audience, pay attention. This is where we see the human element, split-second judgment calls, and consequences that could go from pursuit to potential litigation in a heartbeat.
Unbuckle your seatbelt, fall out on the fucking ground. Do anything stupid, I'm gonna fucking shoot you. You understand me?
I got you.
You'll fucking die.
I got you.
Crawl across that seat.
He's been diving.
I don't give a shit.
Let me do it.
Put it in park. Put it in park.
Crawl across. 50,000 volts, do something stupid. Fall on the ground. Yes, sir.
I don't give a shit.
No, I just need you to know.
Get on the fucking ground.
Ease on it.
Stupid.
All you gotta do.
Now, you used to work for Delta.
Other arm. Give it to me. All right, you hurt, injured, any stupid shit like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Roll over on your side.
Americus, 1095. 1095, notify NCO.
Huh? I don't know what to believe at this point.
You don't know what to believe? You going to jail, you can believe that. Where's your license at?
You said my license?
Where's your license?
Shit.
In the back pocket?
No.
Hang on, hang on.
It's either in my car and my...
Roll, we're gonna stand, we're gonna...
Right there on my left.
You got a firearm?
I told him that when I got in the car, right there.
Right where?
Right on my, right here. It's a Taurus.
Don't reach for it.
Don't reach for it.
I'm just...
Hang on. It's on your back?
No, it's in the pocket of the jacket. I hope it's in
Hell.
Damn.
You talking about the jacket?
Bro, where's the gun? Stop reaching, you moving your hand.
Alright, I'm sorry. If it's not on me, it's in the car then.
How do you know if you have a gun on you?
Yeah, he said you got a gun on
I
him.
know it's in the car on me, bro. It's one of the two. I ain't go to sleep. I ain't had a long
I don't feel a gun.
Alright, then it ain't on me then.
Is it in your bag?
No, it gotta be somewhere on the driver's side. I got weed on me, and
Been smoking?
yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna stand you up, all right? What I want you to do is bend your knees, both of them. We're gonna roll to the...
Boom. This is the moment of sheer confrontation. Officers are threatening, the suspect is panicked, and the tension couldn't be higher. Legal analysts will later dissect this for proportionality. Was the threat justified? Was the standard of proof met in the heat of the moment? Also, notice the emotional weight. Every word is charged. Audience, imagine yourself in either position. Would you comply or escalate? Contradictions, fear, and authority collide here. Pure courtroom gold for later testimony.
He's running 76 in Weston
All this.
for a speeding ticket.
Come on, man.
But make sure you ain't gonna get... You ain't got no contraband on, do you?
What's up?
What's that?
You got weed on me.
Hang on. You got money in there, too. Hold tight right there. Brian, we need to search him. He's got money on him and weed in his front pocket. Let me just put him on here in front of your car. I'm gonna get gloves.
Hey, I need to go back down the road real quick. My hat just shut. My shit's all over the highway down there.
Okay, all right. Wait, all right, you go do that then.
You go get it. I will be right back.
All right, cuz. Okay. Yeah. Can you come watch him for me?
I'm gonna bring some equipment in the white F-150. He said he can come meet us here.
Yeah. Hold him. I'm just gonna get some gloves and we're gonna search him real good.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, Americus. 10-4, we at mile post 11 on 520 Taylor County. Like I said, dude, I don't know you. I don't know if you got any fentanyl or nothing on you. That's why I'm putting gloves on. I just don't want to not stop breathing. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna search them real good. What you got in there? Challenge coins. Fulton County Sheriff. Awesome, cool. 2 challenge coins. We'll zip it up. And we talking about a little bit of weed right here. And some money. It's your cash. Look at. Is the weed on you or in the car?
It should be like...
Hang on. Well, I just looked in that pocket.
It should be in this pocket.
Okay, that's...
Yeah, it's in here.
It's in there? Okay, got it. All right. Here's what I'm going to do right here in front of you. I'm going to count this and put it back in your pocket, okay? We're going to keep it on you. We're going to try not to lose it all. So that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, that's 8, that's 9, that's $10.
And that's the wrap. From high-speed pursuit to contraband and financial checks, this case demonstrates both procedural precision and human unpredictability. The judge would later consider every detail, speeding, resistance, threats, and the controlled handling of evidence before ruling. The implications? Officers followed protocol, the suspect's statements provide context, and legal clarity is achieved in both pursuit justification and search legitimacy. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.